So these are the Loxbox hair pieces. Both C and I are wearing one.
Oh, I'll show you back mine.
Oh yeah, I love that colour. Now we have it in the ponytail, we're going to style it. So I have decided I'm going to curl it. So we're just going to grab a section and curl it. And we're going to do this throughout the whole ponytail, so I'll be right back with you in a moment. So now that I have curled the ponytail, I'm now just going to quickly brush it out. So you just want to take the hair and gently brush through it. It's also really important to let the hair cool down before brushing through it, otherwise the curls will just drop if they are still hot. Oh, it just looks so nice, honestly. As you can see, there's no need to worry about covering it all up because it's all your natural hair with the pony piece. And then lastly, we're just going to use a bit more stuff to just get the last wispy bits, and then we're done. I created this look so it's a really like Hollywood Glam and really like slick back, but if you wanted to, you could also again separate the curls and create a really bouncy full look just like that.